Okay, on this video, might as well squeeze in another one here while we're here. I'm going to be showing you how to tape an angle. You don't need 4 inches of mud to only cover 1 inch of tape. So was taught that a long time ago. So don't overdo it on the mud. That just makes your job worse. Number one thing, remember to mix your mud correctly and use the correct mud. Then from there, we're going to show you how to get this angle taped. We're using a 4-inch knife. All you need is a corner. Start at the top. Take your time, work your way down. I learned to come out on the corner like this, see that? If anytime during this process you see drywall mud or the sheetrock through the mud, add a little bit more. We're going to push it up tight against the ceiling. Push it up tight against the ceiling. I usually push it into the corner with my hand, and then down here I push it in with my knife, pull it at an angle. Tear it off. Up here at the top, we're going to push up, and then we're going to pull down. Pull down. We're not using a lot of pressure, it's just a proper angle. We're not trying to kill it. We're just laying it on there nice and easy. There you go. There you go, y'all. There's a finished product. Number one thing is remember it's only an inch wide tape, so you don't need 4 inches of mud. Only enough to stick the tape. Make sure you don't leave no edges, and everything looks great.